All right, so we have one more we can use, and it's going to be a custom prop type. I'm going to be using the mother prop, so I'm going to delete everything inside, and I'm going to create a custom function that is going to be checking. So first, we need to create a function. Okay, just a function. So this function with prop types is going to be getting three different arguments. First is going to be props. Then we're going to be receiving the props and the name. In this case, it's prop name, and then comma, and then the component name. These are the arguments that we get by default. So just to check what we are getting, I'm going to say console log, and I'm going to be doing the console log on with props. So okay, so if we console log the props, we are getting the props. That's good. If I grab the prop name, we get the name. In this case, it's going to be mother. It's the name of the prop that we are checking. And if we output the component name, of course, we get the component name. Makes sense. So right now, mother, it's giving back just a string with the name Martha. That's good. So what we can do, we can check for something. Since we have the access to the value, we can check for that. So I'm gonna write just an if statement, something real simple. And first, I'm gonna grab the props, which is the actual object, the actual array, and I'm gonna be accessing the prop.name, which in this case is gonna be mother. So this is gonna access the mother, and it's gonna be checking the value. Since we have access to the value, what we can do, we can check for things. So I'm gonna say if this value it's not equal to Jane, we're gonna give back another message. So I'm going to say console log and then no. That's good. So if I reload the application, I'm getting no. And that's good because as value of mother, I have Martha. So, it shouldn't be working. So if I say Jane, if I correct this, because it's going to pass. That's good. So now right here, something else what we can do, we can return our own custom error message. So I'm going to say return, just like that. And then new, and then error. And this one, I can pass right here whatever I want. In this case, I'm just gonna pass attempt strings. I'm gonna say the name, and then of course I'm gonna make a reference to props, and then prop name, just like that. Props and prop name, and then I'm gonna write is incorrect, should be, and then Jane. Since we have Jane right now, is going to pass. But if I change it back to Martha, just like this, it's going to give us our custom error message. The name Martha is incorrect, should be Jane. So this is a way where you can use, you can write your own custom messages. And of course, it always depends on what you want to do or which kind of error message you want to output. You have a lot of more options for this. I'm gonna go to the browser and I'm gonna go to npm.js and then package and then Proptypes. It's the npm website, and then I'm gonna go to this dependency. So you have a lot of more options right here. You can check for things. It's gonna give you the information of what you can change. We've just covered most of them. The most used prop types. So that's good. Okay, that's good. Let's keep moving to the next topic. We're going to be talking about something else, completely different topic.